Wow, wow, wow. Just look at this video. The quality, the animation, the characters, everything is next level. I mean, seriously, how cute and smooth is this? I love it so much. This is what I call real animation magic. The expressions, the lighting, the fur detail. Oh my God, it's like watching a Pixar movie. So today, I decided to dive into this niche and create my own version of this style. Yes, this exact kind of fun, creative, and super cute animation. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel, A Tech Creation. Your support means the world and helps me bring even more amazing content like this. Alright now, open YouTube and type Grizzy and the Lemmings. Boom! The channel pops up. 10.9 million subscribers and 368 videos. Can you believe that? Now scroll down and just explore. Every single video is full of energy, cuteness, and non-stop fun. Honestly, it's one of the best animated comedy series online right now. Take a second and screenshot your favorite scene, the one that made you laugh or go "Aw." Trust me, you'll want to recreate something like that later. Done? Great! Now let's move to the next step, because I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of animation using free AI tools. No coding, no expensive software, just pure creativity and fun. So, stay with me till the end. This is going to be epic. Step 1. Go straight to ChatGPT and without wasting a single second, upload the screenshot of your favorite scene. Now type this. I want to create this type of animated video. Make sure the same character is used and even more cute characters are added. I need 10 prompts. Then hit enter and just chill for a second. And boom! Within moments, ChatGPT will drop 10 absolutely incredible, engaging, and creative animation prompts. And trust me, they're not basic. These are next-level ideas, each one packed with full details, from character actions to background moods and even Pixar-style emotions. Every prompt is better than the last. Cute, fun, funny, magical. You'll literally say, "Whoa, this is amazing!" You'll get same blue fluffy character vibes, extra baby cute versions, action-packed comedy scenes, and full storytelling ready for animation. So now, just copy the first prompt, keep it safe, and guess what? We're officially ready to move to the next step. Step 3. Now let's bring your prompt to life with a powerful, free AI tool. Go to Piclumen. Yes, it's a text-to-image generator and completely free. Once you're there, click on the Generate Free button. Super simple. Then, make sure to select the image ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube and animated shorts. Now take that first prompt you copied from ChatGPT, paste it in, and wait just a few seconds. And boom! What an image! The quality! Wow! The characters are shining, the details are sharp, and the whole scene looks like a Pixar-level masterpiece. So beautiful, so clean. It's just amazing. Now go ahead. Upload the second prompt, then the third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Keep going. Each image will blow your mind. Every single one is vibrant, expressive, full of emotion and creativity. You'll say it again and again. Wow, wow, amazing. These pics are gold. The quality? Next level. The characters? Too cute. The scenes? Picture perfect. Now download all your images, one by one, and save them safely because we're moving on to the most important step, animation. Let's go! Step 4. Now this is the most important step. It's time for animation. Yes, yes, yes. This is where the magic begins for real. Go straight to the animation website, Dreamina AI. And oh my God, wow, wow, wow. This website is next level. So smooth, so powerful, and seriously, one of the most engaging animation platforms out there. Once the site opens, you'll see 3 amazing options on the screen. Image generation, video generation, avatar creation. Now we're not here for just pictures, so go ahead and click the video generation option. Boom, done. Now look at the left corner. You'll see the Add Image button for your first video frame. Click that and upload your first image. Yep, the one you created with Piclumen. Now just below it, there's a prompt box. Type in your same prompt or add a short scene description. Hit Generate. Now repeat. Upload your second image, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Go one by one, smooth and easy. You don't need to wait hours. Each video takes just 2 or 3 minutes max to generate, and wait for it. Boom! The first video is ready, and it looks amazing. Check all your videos one by one. So once all your animated scenes are generated, download each video one by one. And now, guess what? It's time for the final step, editing. Let's bring it all together with transitions, effects, and voiceover magic. And now, the final step. Let's bring it all together. Go to CapCut. Yes, one of the best free editing tools out there. Super easy, super smooth, and no watermark. Now upload all your generated videos, one by one. Just drag and drop them into the timeline and start arranging them in perfect sequence, just like a real animated movie. Now it's time to add the magic. Add transitions between each scene. Make it smooth, cinematic, and flow just like a professional animation. There are tons of transitions. Try out dissolve, swipe, blur, whatever feels best for your style. Once you're happy with the flow, go to export settings and choose high resolution. I recommend 2K or even 4K at 60 FPS for Ultra HD quality. Now click export, and guess what? Boom! Your full animated video is done, and it looks wow, wow, wow. So smooth, so clean, so professional, just amazing. This is your creation, your vision, turned into a full animated short using nothing but AI and creativity. So now, sit back and enjoy your work. And if you loved this journey, please subscribe to my channel. For more videos like this, thank you so much for watching. And get ready, because the next tutorial will be even bigger. Let's go!